let's go kill some birds. So now we have our firearm, and we're gonna go head over to the craziest birds. Oh, there's a bird. Dodged it. Bro, that bird literally dodged it. I hate that bird. If he would have just walked right into the pellet, it would be easy as heck. Oh, another bird. They literally have birds surrounding, but they have cats, so they're literally killing us. The cats are literally like killing all the birds. There it is. Yeah, it's crazy. Sorry if the video is blurry. I didn't mean for it to be like this, but it has to be. So yeah, has to be blurry. And we're going to go down to this barn. I want to see if the bird is here. Let's see. The birds are here or something. They're going crazy. And we're going to go try to get some birds. Hello, villagers. How's the crops doing today?
Hey, I had to go up to your house because it's about to rain, Lincoln.
Yeah, well, I'm a YouTuber now, so. Let's go try to kill some birds, or let's just do some Oh gosh. Oh gosh, it's starting to rain. Oh Lord, help me. Oh gosh, it's starting to rain, Starting to rain out. The birds are going inside. Wait, the birds. Oh gosh, that cloud's big and dark. Oh gosh, it's raining! It's raining! Dance for me, yeah. Oh God, it's raining! Okay, this turned out different. Way more. Okay, let's just go see. Have a nice start. Okay, guys, this is not like I expected it to be like. Let's just shoot the rest of our babies, shall we? Okay, we're out of ammo. We need to do the chickens. Oh gosh, this is gonna be a wild adventure. How are we gonna get back? It's raining already. And I need to get back in my house. Because I don't want my firearm wet. And yeah, this is crazy. We did catch this all on camera. We did. Look. Hold this.
What?
Hold this. I need to go do the chicken. Oh my gosh.
Leave them alone, honey. They're fine. They're under a roof.
I know. I need to do their water. Again.
No, my phone. I think.
Okay, bye guys.
I think right now.